Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to have one name on Facebook. So in order to do this, first of all, open your Facebook application. After opening the application, click on the three-lined icon at the top right side of the screen. Now scroll down at the bottom and click on Settings and Privacy option. After clicking on Settings and Privacy, you'll be on this page. Click on Settings. This will take you to this page. We'll have to click on Account Center button at the top. Now choose Profiles from this page. After navigating to this page, you'll have to go to Play Store and install a VPN. So go to Play Store and type in VPN LAT, hit enter. Now install this application, that is VPN LAT Fast and Secure Proxy. After installing the application, just click on the open button here. After you click on open, it will instantly open the VPN LAT. Click on accept, click on quick connect if you want to connect anywhere. Here what you're going to do is scroll down and choose Indonesia as your server. So click on Indonesia from this list. After you do this, you will see that you are connected to Indonesia. Now after connecting to Indonesian VPN, you'll have to navigate back to Facebook on the page viewer. Then click on the profile icon that you want to change the name for. Click on name and you'll have to basically remove the last name here. Then press space. Then click on review change button. After you click on review change, it will instantly take you to this page that says preview your new name. As you can see, I don't have the last name appearing. Just click on save changes and this will instantly change your name and you will have only one name on Facebook, not your last one. So that is a simple way to have one name on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.